Most trading bots start with a strategy someone has already decided to trade. Profit Intelligence works differently. I built Profit Intelligence as an autonomous quantitative research and trading system designed to continuously discover, test, validate, and deploy strategies. The process starts with token selection. The system can automatically identify cryptocurrencies outperforming Bitcoin or operate on a fixed universe. It then downloads the market data and generates new strategy candidates. But generating a profitable backtest is the easy part. The real question is whether that strategy can survive data it has never seen before. That's why every candidate goes through walk-forward validation across multiple periods. Strategies that survive then enter an AI decision layer. The system evaluates candidates based on profitability and robustness. Weak strategies are rejected. Qualified strategies move into portfolio construction. And this is important. I don't just want individually profitable strategies. I want strategies that work well together. Profit analyzes correlations and drawdown relationships between strategies to find complementary combinations. It calculates position sizes and capital allocation. The architecture is completely multi-portfolio. Different portfolios can use different markets, exchanges, and timeframes. They can use different trading servers and capital allocations while remaining isolated from each other. Once a strategy qualifies, the pipeline is automated. Token selection, data collection, strategy generation, walk-forward validation, AI voting, position sizing, deployment to the trading server, and finally a Telegram notification confirming the new strategy. But none of this matters if it only works inside a backtester. So here is the live Profit Intelligence account running on Binance. At the time of this recording, Binance is showing a 50.38% ROI, a Sharpe ratio of 2.38, and a maximum drawdown of 11.54%. I'm not trying to find one magical trading strategy. Markets change, strategies decay, new opportunities appear. So instead of building one strategy, I built a system designed to continuously research, challenge, allocate, deploy, and manage them from raw market data to quantitative research to portfolio construction to live execution. This is Profit Intelligence, autonomous quantitative trading infrastructure.